going to trade Caster now. Let's make money. I like that. Alright, team. Basir A. Here pretty early. What's up, Basir? You must have liked something in here to come back, huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning, everybody. Elvinar, John, Urban, Basir. Who else is in here? I am unmuted, right? Yeah. TikTok people, anybody here already? Early, bright and early. If you're here early and stay in here long enough, you will see me trade now. Y'all usually come in later. Okay, what do we got for gappers? Alright, gappers. I see John and a lot of people were in the on the Discord this morning. John, Lang, Zach, Elvin, Kip. Who else? Urban Trades was in there. Let's see. John looks like he made a little bit of money on Beoff. Zach as well. Nice. Good job, guys. Alright, butts gappers for me today. Let's see. I got SPRC. I got Beoff, of course. What else do we have? EOS. Almost at that $1 million volume for EOS. Is that the only three we have today? Juan Trades, how come you don't trade pre-market? Because I am a lazy piece of crap that does not like to wake up early. Good morning, Horn. It's Mark from YouTube. What's up? Mark. Is it something like Cervantes, something like that? Mark Cervantes or something like that? I will say my TikTok stream is a little bit more delayed. Like, way more delayed, I think. Yeah, it is. I mean, it's fine. You guys can still see, you guys can still learn. But TikTok, you are a little bit farther behind. Good morning to Trader. Good morning, Fish Dude. Good morning, Adrian. Dude, I'm still waiting for Trader Dad to come back in here sometime. I've been calling for Trader Dad for the last uh, 3 days. Where's Trader Dad? All right, my YouTube people. I got Mike Blanco. Good morning. Ahmed Ashad. Good morning, and Jesse, like always. Jesse. See, when you guys are active and you guys tell me when you're here, I recognize your name, right, Mark? Yes, sir. Andrew Tate is making a movie, and the trailer looks so fire. I didn't realize he was making a movie. I didn't know. Okay. So let's look at these stocks. How much time we got? 10 minutes. Oh, I could have slipped in an extra 5 minutes. Dang. No, who asked that question? Urban Trades. I don't trade pre-market because limit orders scare me. In pre-market, you have a lot of whippy action sometimes. You have clean breakouts and stuff, but a lot of times you get like crazy wicks or stuff like that. And so, what is this? And so I get scared about it. And honestly, with limit orders, I've never traded limit orders, so I kind of get scared with that too. And so that's why. But but I know pre-market right now has been pretty good recently. Okay, SPRC kind of popped up to 123. Next resistance I see is the 155. And this thing is respecting the 50 EMA very cleanly. The last 2 times it spiked, 3 times it spiked up, it hit that 50 EMA and turned back around. Like the last 3 times right there on the daily. I think that is my 50 or the 70. Let me check. 50. Yeah, the 50 EMA. Good morning, Ken. Good morning, Blair. Good morning, Maddening Ape Trades. I don't know if I told you good morning. Double J Trader, what's up, guys? Double J Trader, awesome. I just see you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Appreciate it, man. But I've seen your username before, right? Or is this your first time here? Be off with less than 1 million float. So that was SPRC. Let me keep moving on. SPRC looks okay. Looking at 155 target and through the 50 EMA on this one. I don't even know where the 200 is. If it has a 200, it does not. It does not. Next is be off. Be off. Oh, this one. This one needs a dead cat bounce. This one definitely needs a dead cat bounce. There's no way this stock does not make a bounce. Okay, so we spiked up to 609 this morning. Doesn't even look like it's a high on the last 5 days. The last 5 days high is 7.8. Good morning, believe in yourself. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So we got that spike and we got this spike. So I got my resistances drawn on BF. Honestly, BF is not that bad. BF needs a. You might not like the price though. What is it, like 20 cents? Rob S. Good morning, Rob. Good morning, Rob. Good morning. Rambling Full. If Rambling Full is in here, also let me know. So BF does look pretty good. I do like BF. EOS was the other one that was on the gappers list this morning. Looks like this one gapped up last night after hours. 269 high. Doesn't look the best, but we'll just keep it on watch. But EOS has a 200 moving average at 353. Is BF easy to borrow on my platform? It is none to borrow. Well, good thing you said that because I did not have my auto send button checked in. I just noticed it when you said that, Rob, so appreciate that. Is none to borrow, NTB. Sometimes when I'm trading yesterday, or like when I'm done trading for the day, I will turn my auto send button off, and then that way if I get tempted to, like I can't just randomly hit the hotkeys. But I also do that because you guys know my cat loves to lay on my desk, and she will lay on my keyboard, and she will click buttons with her tail. She will smack the keyboard and click buttons. And so I always have to check that off because I don't want her to accidentally whip her tail and buy a stock, and then out of nowhere I'm up $5,000. You know, I don't want that to happen. BF locates are fairly cheap on Trade Zero. Ape Trades, you don't even get any benefits, dude. But you can try it. I mean, I joined it and I tried like the next 2 days after that to short hard to borrow stocks, and I was not able to borrow any of those hard to borrow stocks. But I sent them a DM on the app, the Thinkorswim app. My little brother walked up behind me and bunt smashed me, and I lost $400. That's funny. Um, yeah, you DM him on the. You guys know Thinkorswim has two apps, right? You have the TD Ameritrade app, and then you have the actual Thinkorswim app, right? I use both of them. They're completely awesome. But the Thinkorswim app has an easy chat there where you can support and just say, hey, I want to be enrolled in this, and they'll do it right there and then. Andres, good morning. Oh yeah, KERN. Yeah, I gotta focus the first hour, hour and a half, 2 hours. I don't mind this one. I actually need to check ADTX from yesterday. I think I saw that it ran into. I like this one too. I mean, it's not bad. Have y'all guys realized that most of the stocks that are popping up recently and making runs are the 4-digit ones? Oh, this one has a gap fill. It's like they know I don't like these and they come in and put pressure on those more. The 4-digit stocks. I don't. It's not the price. It's the actual like digits of the stock that bother me, you know, because I can't put stop losses fast. Okay, let me quickly scan through some of these previous ones because I have found a lot of plays doing that. We got 3 minutes until market open. I got time. VNet, no. AKRO never broke a high from yesterday. AKRO could still be in play. It's a pricey stock, but if you get a breakout through that $31, $32, that one might be good. That one's still definitely in play. LABD, I'm not trading that one. CMRA yesterday finally opened up. Oh yeah, I ended up. Good morning, 1 times 2. Awesome, I like it. ETNB also held a move from yesterday. ETNB also held that move, so putting alert on that one. NRBO finally pulled all the way back down. RGLS, this one kind of opened up a little bit, but putting alert on it. This one, I'm deleting that one. ATR, nope. FFIA, no. CLVS, no. SPPI, no. INM, too many lines on this thing. NVTA, no. GOVX, no. Mogu. Mogu kind of coming back a little bit. Alright guys, so what is the stock we're all looking at during market open? What do we liking the most? What are we liking the most? Double J Trade. Did anyone end up getting in CMRA yesterday afternoon? I was done after 11. Didn't see it. Yeah, I was gonna say. Oh, there's Rambling Full. Yeah, so I meant to say this earlier. I was read yesterday when I finished the stream, and if you guys are not in the Discord and missed it, I actually came back and traded CMRA. I got myself green. Another SPY short. I haven't seen it. Any little bounce on SPY back up to 398s, 397, probably another short. I think so. I think it's gonna collapse. We got about a minute left. Let me see. Oh dang. Treetop Josh, good morning, man. Good morning. What is a gap fill? Can't trade, don't know why. Gap fill is just means you have a gap in the daily that you're trying to fill. I'll show you in a little bit. Can't trade, don't know why it's taking so long to fund my account. Did the transfer 2 days ago. That does suck. Do I still have those put spreads? I do, yes. I need to maybe close some of them today. Rambling Fool, give me like 5-10 minutes and then I'll check what you were asking me yesterday on my recap video about the tools. But market's about to open and I'm keeping an eye on both SPRC and BOF. Both of these I like so far, keeping an eye on AKRO as well. And we are live in 10 seconds right here. So SPRC and BOF, seeing what these stocks want to do in the open. Also have an eye on KERN right now as well. John mentioned that one. Trying to hold VWAP right there, 18 cents. SPRC making a little push up. SPRC is the one that's getting rejected by the 50, which is up at 130. So we might have some room up to 130 and then expect shorts there. But not chasing anything, market open. You guys already know the drill. I'm not going to chase anything. Sniper Trades, good morning. Not going to chase anything. And then for everybody else as well, my momentum scanner is now live. Right above my camera. If you guys are watching on TikTok, sorry you guys can't see it. The market just now opened. This is live, yes. BOF is the one heading up a little bit. This is why you don't chase any opens right here. Look at this. Big rejection off the lows. Buyers came in and then sellers big rejection off the top. SPRC back again. SPRC looking a little better. Attempting a downtrend break on SPRC. Both of them, BOF is coming back up again. I don't really want to take breakout trades right now. I want to be patient. We'll get plays later on too. SPRC still going. BOF still going. Both of them might end up just squeezing out, and if I don't take a trade, I'm gonna have to be okay with it. EOS as well. Ew, EOS. Big O squeeze on EOS. EOS break a downtrend and retest. I might take that one as well. Down to like 243, 41 ish. So BOF and SPRC looked like they were strong out of the gate, and it's still not breaking out. BF wants it right here past $6. KERN is also heading back up there again. I'm just tempted to buy that dip there on EOS. Mersa, good morning, Mersa. Good morning, Jose, on YouTube. This is why I'm not taking any breakout trades in the open. Look at BF. Goes up right up to 6 and then consolidates and literally just gets rejected. KERN, the one that John mentioned over here as well, is still holding up, looking for 21 high of pre-market. No trades for me yet. No trades for me yet. I'm not liking BF. I'm not liking SPRC. EOS, maybe. It tucked right back under that trend line. So now, surprisingly enough, KERN is my top watch. If you've taken trades so far and you're green, congratulations. So far, I am being patient and not taking anything. CMRA back up again. CMRA was strong yesterday into the close. I see it. I see it. EOS. I don't know if EOS. KERN closed a 5-minute candle. Pretty good. Maybe we get a pullback on this one. If not, maybe SPRC goes up for a breakout as well for high of days. KERN going for high of days. 21 is pre-market high. Looking at currency, if we get a pullback here and keep rising up to pre-market high. SPRC just went. Maybe that helps KERN a little bit. I'm gonna jump small share size here on KERN. I want to see the bigger pullback and see if we get to squeeze through that high, pre-market high on KERN. Man, SPRC went. SPRC is gone. Looking for KERN to open up as well and or pull back a little bit and add bigger on this for the curled through high of pre-market. See, it's hard to tell numbers for you guys because this is a 4-digit. Like I'm looking at 1978, 19.7-ish, if that makes sense. Man, I'm surprised the stock ripped like SPRC today at the first 2-3 minutes of market open, or at least 5-7 minutes of market open. Watching for a 1-minute setup on SPRC, correct. But I haven't gotten my bigger ad. It just keeps going higher and higher. I wanted to add bigger on this one. I don't really want to make $7. Now it's using that 20 as support. I don't even see a lot of orders on the ask. I see 49 right there, but that's not a lot. Now I see a lot. Taking them out slowly. There we go, there's a high. Never got to add full share size. What a slow trade. I mean, I barely made anything. I never got to get full share size in. At all. What a letdown. So I'm just going to close out there completely. What a letdown. Alt recovery intrigue you at all? Alt? I mean, I made like $30 on that one. Oh, this is a pricier whippy stock. Whippier, cause not whippier, spready, cause look at that, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 22, $24 a share, moving real quick. SPRC, maybe we get a pullback on SPRC and this thing continues. I gotta look at the volume on this one. Back down to 123 pre-market high, would take a dip on this one. So looking at SPRC and see if we get a little bit of a dip recovery on this one. BOF also kind of pulling back. This will be the first 5-minute candle on SPRC, so let's see if we get a pullback with lower volume. That volume on the way up is pretty nice. We want to see a pullback down, even to 123, 12, anything like that. KERN is kind of doing the same thing right now. Seeing if SPRC pulls back a little bit more. Taking small ad down there. I want to re-add bigger on this one, 123, 120, and see if we get the curl back up. Gonna close that there and look for the lower add. Look for that 123 add. KERN just went for another high. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Looking at SPRC still. Adding on SPRC. I'm in on SPRC on this pullback here, trying to see if it wants to bottom out and then recover. A lot of buyers down here in SPRC, but I'm scared if we crack those buyers, this thing will flush. Okay, this should be the pullback up then. If that held right there, this should pull all the way back up. Or at least start making new highs and switch the trend. If not, I'm gonna stop out real quick here. I'm stopping out. Okay, look for the lower entry. Back to 123, 120, maybe it's a little spike down. Even this 120 here, if it gives me 120, I'm in. Bad fill there, but it's okay, it's okay. There it is, there it is. Did we get the curl all the way back up? Do we get a nice curl up, take some shorts out, and squeeze all the way back up? So far up $200 now on this one. Do we make the squeeze all the way back up on this one? There we go, there we go. I haven't sold any, looking for the big squeeze to back to high of days. Looking for the big squeeze to back to high of days. Here we go, starts popping up a little bit. I will take some out there. So, oh, what a nice move. Now I'm looking for high of days. Big squeeze over high of days, hopefully. Shorts get squeezed out here. Put the pressure on, break 134. And get a new high of days and see if we get a nice little pop again. If it seems weak to me, I will start taking more profits. Kind of like there. Now I have 2,000 shares left for this break here and see if we get 134. Maybe back up to, I don't know what. There we go. High of day there. That's a weak break. Can we keep the pressure though and really get a nice squeeze? Back up to 140. Another 5 cents. Give me another 5 cents. It's holding up pretty well. 20 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if more buyers step up towards the end of this candle. That was good. 134 has 116 orders on the ask. 10 seconds left. Orders one down to 115. 85 broke down a little bit. 83, 63, 68. There's a new high. Take some more out on that spike. Take some more out on that spike and I have 1,000 shares. And I can ease off the pedal. I can relax. I can relax a little bit. Look at my average. Way down here. TikTok live, people. You're seeing me doing this right in front of your eyes. Went from negative 100 and something dollars on that trade to positive 300 just now. Ape Trade said letting 100 them ride. Joke's on you, I'm blind. Dang, Ape Trades. How do you trade when you're blind, bro? Great trade, Juan. My Thinkorswim is super laggy, so I had to bring my E-Trade account up. Missed my entry 124 like I called. Rob S. Awesome, man. Mark, I bought 1K shares at 125 and sold at 135 for $93. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This is SPRC. What a nice trade. What a nice trade. I will say I got chopped up out of the first 100, so technically I would have kept $100 extra and been up $400 or $500 on the day, but that's okay. KERN is still up there. KERN is still holding up as well. Let's take a look at KERN. KERN, I had a beautiful trade earlier. I just did not take the right size. I just did not take the right size. I didn't get to add. And unfortunately, I made $26 on this trade here. Even though I was right about the move, I got it and stuff. But oh well. Knowing Ox first trade in months, SPRC with Fiverr Internet today. What'd you feel like 5 seconds ahead or what? Oh my god, these other idiots jumped in on it right at the same place. Wow. That's how you know when I've learned and become the master. When I call my own place. I don't need anybody calling plays for me. B-off. Big recovery on B-off. Let's see if we get a pullback on B-off here. I want to see if this is true volume on B-off. Rambling Fool. Hold on. Wow. Wow, B-off. Wow, B-off. Did not expect that. Did not expect that on B-off. Wow. I was going to add a pullback of 5-6, and this thing just went. I only took small share size on that big pop right there. But looking for high of day. Looking for that $6 to break, hold, and then 609. And then this one has a previous high. Oh. What the frick? What the 6-4. I did not mean to click that over there. 6-4 is my high. Am I stuck in a halt? Am I stuck in a halt? Oh no, dear Lord Andres, please help me. Joffy Young, please come help me, boy. Bro, and then freaking SPRC is still going and I'm still in. Oh my goodness. It's only been 20 minutes at the market open and you've already put me to this much stress, market. That ain't cool, man. That ain't cool. That ain't cool, bro. That ain't cool. And that's the way it's done. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's how I do it. En español, bro. Somebody really telling me to sell on TikTok? Rule number 1. I do whatever I want. Just kidding. I'm kidding, bro. I sold a little bit. I sold a little bit. I don't even know which one you're talking about. I don't know if you're talking about SPRC, because if you're talking about SPRC, this thing is climbing back up to a new high. So yeah, I will not sell. I will sell 100 out of my last 400 shares. Wait for this new high here, and then I will take. Watch this. Watch this. New high breaks up to 140, 145, and I'll take another 100 shares. Right here. Right here. 114 on the ask. Maybe not. But I will leave 300 back to my stop. What was this right here? 129. And then if I go back to be off, I gotta be careful on this one because I got 300 shares left on this one. I got 300 shares. Dude, if I almost jumped in 1,500 shares on this one. 1 year ago, I went 103 and 36 on domination on shipment. And them TikTok traders. How much stock you bought for this? I bought 500 on this one, and I'm up 244 on this trade here. I moved up. I want to move up. Wait, this halted at 50.31, so it's been 2 minutes. SPRC, I moved up my stop a little bit. If SPRC wants to get another breakout, I think it's got to do it here. Look at that triple top. If it doesn't do this after that triple top, then I will get out. So I put my stop all the way up there, 300 shares. I'm not going to make much, but be off. Be off. Jofi, where are you, Jofi? 1 year ago. Bro, shipment is the best, bro. Actually, I miss the old COD games. Those were so good. So, I am stuck on this halt on BOF. Hopefully, I get a good resumption. Hopefully, man. I don't know why I have the worst luck when it comes to halts. Every time I'm buying into a halt and I get stuck in one, it always resumes lower or just doesn't go anywhere. I don't know why. But look, fingers crossed, knock on wood, that ain't happening today. Modern Warfare 2 next month, bro. Rob S, I've been waiting for the squeeze on BOF up nicely on it, so... Oh, I got scared. Remember, guys, if you're stuck at a halt, do not put a order out right here. Where is Jofi Young, man? I need Jofi Young. Do not put a limit order out here because you can't put a stop right now unless you manually put one in. But if you put a stop right now thinking it's a stop, it says limit, and if you click it right there on Thinkorswim, you're actually going to sell the second that stock opens up. So be careful. And then I don't know if you got 50.31 and we're at 54, so we got about a minute and 30 seconds left. What's es más fácil stocks o forex? Más fácil stocks, yo creo. How many years have you been trading? 3 years. What side are you using? Thinkorswim. TD Ameritrade is a broker. Where's my exit point on BF? I don't have an exit point on BF. This thing can go all the way back up to $15. Just kidding. Alright, we have 50 seconds left. 51 seconds left to be exact. Sniper trades. Goddamn, I missed that BF. I was eyeing 575, entering a bit slow to get in. I'll take a dip on BF if it comes down to 609-ish. My entry is 576. Actually, I tried buying down there, but this thing squeezed so fast. Wow, SPRC stopped me out and then came back up and is still holding that 134. Okay, this has 15 seconds left for the open. I feel like you should be up a lot more than you are, Juan. I only jumped at 500 shares, man. It sucks. Here we go, 10 seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're live. I'm telling you guys, the worst resumption on my halts. Why isn't this the one that spikes up like... Okay, it's going. Give it some time, give it some time. Give another 20, 30 second pull. Another 20 second, 30 pull. Do it to me, come on. Holding that 6-4. 6-4 is the previous daily resistance. That line I drew from daily resistance, and it's holding. There we go. Beautiful. 100 shares left. What do I do with this? Do I just hold 100 shares forever? What if it goes back up to $15? Zach, help me out, Zach. Zach and who's the other one? Wolf Michael. Wolf Michael, getting some competition for your diamond hands. Zach. Wolf Michael getting some competition for you. Wait, who is Wolf Michael on Tradecaster on YouTube? What is your guys' tag? Are they even here? So this 100 shares back down to where I bought it, 576 is $80 gone. So halfway through that, it'll be about $40 that I'm risking here. So I'm gonna put it there, risking about $40-50 on this trade, but letting 100 shares ride. You make 700 if it goes to 15 left. Sell that. Come on, man. I need another play today. Shit seems dead already. I make $700 if it goes up to 15. Yeah, that's not a lot. Do you think I could start trading with 100, or will it be too hard to make money? Um, what's my net worth? I'm not giving you guys my net worth. Do you think you could trade with 100, but it's gonna be very hard, and you have to be realistic. If you trade with 100, you're gonna be making $1, $2 a day, maybe less. But I mean, you can trade with fake money. I suggest you trade with fake money and start building up some cash on the side. Trade with fake money. Get your basics of trading and learning and all that stuff. While you save a little bit more cash, and then that way, when you have a little bit more cash ready, you're also ready to actually trade it. What broker is TD Ameritrade? Is a broker. Juan's net worth is $3 and a bag of Frito-Lays. No, my net worth is at least $314.10 plus currently right now sitting at $289. So add those two up, that's about almost $600. So my net worth is at least $600. Mine is my mortgage payment for the month. No, I live with my parents. I don't pay rent. I probably shouldn't be saying that because then everybody on TikTok is like, I knew it. This guy did. I knew this guy still lived with his parents. I knew it. They're all gonna be. Hi Juan, what is your favorite strategy to trade? Unless you trade in options, then you can make an $100 account do something, right? But it's still risky to trade with $100 on all of those. But yeah, I'm trading stocks. No, I do, like I do. Jose, unless you're trading options, yeah. Rob 778 next resistance on B off. I had that daily at 7. I'm still holding 100. That thing is still holding up. What do I have? Yeah, I have 7.8, but I have one earlier at 7.44. 7.44 is not a bad one. That one's on the 5 minutes. SPRC pulled all the way back down. Is this low volume on SPRC? Wait, who is Wolf Michael on stream? I see him typing on Discord a lot. Wolf Michael. Which stocks am I trading? I traded SPRC and I traded BOF, which I'm still currently holding. What do you guys think of SPRC back down here again, touching the ADMA right now? Don't touch it. I like this one right here. Who told me don't touch it? Ape Trades? Ape Trades, you think of all people, I'm gonna listen to you. I live with I live with my parents too. No, I don't live with my parents. Yes, I do have hotkeys on Thinkorswim. Dude, I'm playing the long game. All you gotta do is get you a pretty smart girl in high school with goals to being a doctor. You just marry her up, pretend like you trade stocks, be a stay-at-home dad. You got your life set, man. Best advice I could give you guys. If you want to learn day trading, that's the best advice. Dude, this B off play, I mean this SPRC play down here, it's looking good. I don't know who's telling me not to jump in on this, but this if this breaks up all the way to 139, I swear to freaking thank you again for today. Once again, hit my daily goal, get my goal and get out. Keep it tight and green. Awesome, Robes. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Called it right there. Look at this. Called it right there. I'm still in on B off, I forgot. B off also can pull back to that 609 now, that Blair mentioned earlier. Could pull down to that 609, maybe re-add there on that one and watch that next leg up. KERN pulled back too much, and I don't know that I'm seeing, I mean, momentum scanner showing up some stocks. Remember, guys, you guys have those there. FRO, no. B off pulling back though. B off pulling back. Is this a low volume pullback on B off? B off 609. Look at the hold. I gotta like that because that might be partially true. How much can a trader make in a day? Dude, you as a trader, you can make as much as you want. I say this not to bait a lot of you guys, but you can make whatever you want. If you're fine with making $50 a day, you can do $50 a day. If you want to step it up and make $1,000 a day, you can make $1,000. As long as you have the capital to do it. But there's no limit. If you keep being consistent and keep making money, you can take day trading up to $50,000 a day if you wanted to. Yeah, you're risking $50,000 a day, but yeah. No, she's definitely not gonna be. That's one thing that I didn't do my calculations right. When I was picking my wife in high school, I should have looked for a doctor, one that wants to be a doctor, but one that wants to be like a surgeon or like some type of like big, big doctors. She wants to be a family med doctor. That's probably the least paying one. So I didn't do my calculations right. Something in my calculations didn't go right. I must have messed something up. Look at B off. Also was saying B off looked good down there. Should have taken some ads down there. B off reclaiming 6.4 might be a good thing. Break of this downtrend might be another thing, and then back up to 674. And let's see if this one gives us another squeeze on this one. Wow, no pullbacks on this one. This one, when it goes, it just goes. When this one goes, it just goes. Look at it. This is going to spike to 674. Yep, yep. Dang, I almost nailed the trade down there. Again. But guess what? Now I can move my stop up a little more. This is a nice downtrend here, so even if this doesn't spike up, if I get a retest of that 6.4 or a downtrend, as long as this candle closes pretty good, that'll still be good. Yeah, and Dress is a doctor. What is the best time frames? Keep it up, buddy. Appreciate it. What is the best time frames to trade on? Depends on what you're doing. If you're day trading like me, definitely the 1 minute and the 5 minute. If you're swing trading, you're looking at longer time frames. This is a terrible close here on B off. Terrible close here on B off, so the 5 minute is not looking the best. If I had to take a guess, the stock is not breaking 674 now before it goes down lower. So I'm actually definitely going to take it all out now. So $266 there and 300 on the other one. 266 here and 314 there. Not my big numbers. Oh, and I guess $26 on KERN. This is my 1 minute time frame. I'm really curious why Wolf Michael is not replying. Maybe he just has it with me muted. So now things are slowing down a little bit. EO's completely failed. BOF kind of holding up a little bit. Maybe on BOF if you get back down to like that 609, 615 area where that ADMA tap is there. This volume is decreasing right now, so maybe it could still be a nice play. SPRC still holding that AEMA, and volume is completely dying on this one. So this one I kind of still tempted again. That volume is completely dead. Nobody's selling. KERN just completely ripped again, I think. KERN going back up for highs. But this one's coming back up with lower volume, so SPRC trying to crack this 127 VTGN. Ooh, probably looked good like 10 seconds ago. Momentum scanner picking up WTI. SPRC finally cracked. SPRC, that 127 was the support, finally cracked it. How much is your course, man? Per month? No, it's a one-time payment. It's just a one-time payment. And $300. Which I think $300 for that course is well worth it, because I have seen other people price theirs even more expensive, and I can tell you mine is completely legit stuff that you really need and everything that I know. Okay, be off, still not giving up. You did get in on BTGN, looking for that 23 break. Yeah, the discount is $300. I have it priced at $450. $300 is with the discount, so that's already a good deal still. I'm dressed, maybe swinging that one. Okay. Do I mainly trade small caps? Yes, I do. If I trade large caps or anything like that, I'm swinging stuff, but most of the times, yes. Still watching BF holding this level, and SPRC kind of flushed through that, but seeing if it recovers VWAP right away, recovers and reclaims the ADMA on the 5. But right now, I'm not that interested on it. BF is consolidating. BF could do another one of these moves, maybe, right? I was able to catch that whole move right there. What was that, from like 576 up to... Oh, that was almost $1 a share move that I got on that one. I didn't realize. Marsa is scalping B off left and right. Awesome. Up and down. Awesome. Yeah, B off. You were saying 621. The only thing I see is this pivot right here, Blair, on my 5-minute right there as well. That's 622, which is that candle right there, and it's holding that one as well. This one kind of dipped under it, and this one touched it to the penny there, but it's holding that pivot on the 5. But volume on B off is dying. KERN's still trying to pop up. Um, but I'm not seeing anything else crazy right now. BKR maybe from Momentum Gapper. See, a lot of the times, and this is gonna happen a lot, guys. You look at Momentum Gapper on my page, and you see a lot of these slow grinders. That's okay. Just ignore them, right? There's B off pullback. $609 on B off is still pre-market high. That should have been the ad. Maybe this is the ad on B off here. To that 609. Son of a. I want it 609. I want it 609, dude. Oh, Blair caught that dip. Nice. It's looking heavy right now. It's looking heavy. But here, we're watching it. We're watching it. I don't like that 5 minutes. It's not very pretty. SPRC kind of recovering a little bit. WTI touching the VWAP. Okay, I see that one. And the ADMA on that one too. That pullback right there was it. I'm still watching B off though. KERN also curling back up a little bit. KERN, the cheaper stock here. KERN, this is a gap fill right here. That 2274 right there is where it's attempting to start the gap fill. OMGA is popping. Someone on TikTok is streaming your live at the same time. How? What's their username? Dude, scammers out there is so crazy, man. How is that possible? KERN looking for high day scalp. That's so annoying, man. And the thing is, TikTok doesn't do anything about it. I've reported them so many times. I'm sure other people have reported them so many times. And yeah, but what's their username? Looking at KERN, see if we get a nice high day scalp on this one. Looking at KERN, see if we get a high of day breakout on this one. Once again, small share size here to see if we get the squeeze. How is this one not breaking out? Look at that. Somebody just bought 23,000 shares right there. 20,000 shares. And this thing didn't break out. There it goes. What is their thing again? You said, Mark? Um, what's up, Faisal? Hold on. This is so, hold on. This is so annoying. It honestly does upset me, dude. I see a bunch of fake ones, but I don't see another one streaming. Oh my gosh, look at KERN. Are you guys still on Tradecaster? I haven't seen any chats in a while. Hold on. 9:14. 5 minutes ago. Okay, Mark, that would make sense a little bit more, because that was really upsetting me. So, out of... No, we all left. Out of my SPRC 0.05 gain. We're looking for that. Yeah, I think I was looking for a 2, and I see like 5, 6, 7 accounts. One of them has like 7,000. But, look at this B off dip, Blair. Are you still in? That's okay, guys. False alarm, false alarm. SPRC, though. SPRC is curling back up. Let's watch SPRC. Lang watching Bioff. Um, wait, Blair? No, he sold for 11 cents. Okay, but Bioff, that was a nice little play there. We never got 609, but these are the ones sometimes, you never really know, but maybe getting a tad bit early would pay you off a little bit. Then you could put a stop here, anywhere through here, break even already, and see if you get the next scroll up, but this one's still looking heavy there. SPRC, though. SPRC is the stock that I'm watching again. SPRC, ADMA way down there. SPRC has that like 6 tap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 taps at 139. One of my trading stocks, penny stocks. This stock right here is SPRC. Look at me, Juan, feeling FOMO, so getting up and going grab a drink, controlling my emotions. Nice, nice. Unless you already left. But SPRC, that 139, I'm scared something like KERN will happen where it flushes. But this 139, if it breaks with buyers stepping in through this level here, this one can go up to 155. That's what the daily's showing me. So let's keep watching this one. 134 was a pivot here that it's trying to hold now on its way up to 139. I would like this thing I would like this thing to kind of curl and almost make a cup and handle and make a nice little 1 minute flag over here. Or even a 5 minute flag. The volume is not quite the best on the 5 minutes. Actually, I haven't even checked on my spreads. I should probably close some of those that are already fully green, or at least leaving some profit in the behind. But so one of them is my spy put for the 19th, which oh, I get some shoes in the mail today, and I've never been more excited for some shoes. Dang, should have held. I've only traded maybe 10 times on each and I don't know how to place orders well. That's okay. Yeah, and just get the hang of it and then get the hang of it. I don't want you losing money because you don't have an order right or something like that, you know? But I am going to close this spy put, making. Let me see how much I'm going to make. One, when it slows down, can you briefly describe a pivot? What is it you see and call it? Yeah. Give me a second. Give me a second. I got to close this spy put here. And let's see how much I make on it. It's a vertical spy put that I opened. Wait a second. I'm still watching. BF is still curling up at 609, and then SPRC is still holding that 134. See, one thing that I still get confused is closing put spreads. I don't know if I go higher, I get more money. If I go lower, I get more money. It depends on what it is, but I don't know. So I'm just going to do this. Alright, now I'm looking for SPRC to volume to keep holding up here. Hold on, I will explain that. No, Inox 135 was my target SPRC. I'm just so used to Thinkorswim. Why did you make the switch to E-Trade from Thinkorswim? Oh my gosh, look at Boff. Got in on Boff again, wanted to see if it squeezes again. I already have a stop at break even, so this is a break even on that trade real quick. I wanted to get a lower ad, but unfortunately I got pretty high fill and I just didn't want to risk it, so I instantly put stop at break even. 604, maybe back down. Oh my gosh, what is up with Boff? Holy crap. Dude, if we got that ad down there, oh my gosh, man. I know what I'm doing, I just can't pull the trigger sometimes. I know exactly what I'm doing, what I'm talking about, what I needed to do, where I needed to buy, and I just didn't do it again. Ah. This was a place to accumulate shares right here. And look at that clean downtrend break right there. Urban Trades, you do have that real-time setting on Thinkorswim, right? Because it defaults it to 3 or 4 or 5 seconds behind. It's not that, right? Lang had a 619 entry on Boff. Did you write that all the way to the top, Lang? Zach, you had that trade too? Boff, you just nailed that trade? Just do it, block Bezday to all, appreciate it. Ghost Rider, there you are, man. Did you know the creator of Thinkorswim sold it to TD Bank and made Tastyworks? I did not know that, but I thought they're Charles Schwab now. Charles Schwab owns TD or Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade, in around 620. Okay. So I'll explain the pivot here for No Inox soon. Yes, I do. Just for some reason today, nothing was working. I don't know what was going on. That's weird. That's true. Tastyworks is an options trading platform. So So it looks like Lang and Zach made that move, nailed that move right there from this ads right here back up to that 680s level there. Congratulations, Lang. Congratulations, Zach. Come on, let's give both of those guys a little fire emoji or something. Both of them, both of them. No, no fire emoji for Lang. No fire emoji for Lang. Hold on. There we go. There we go. I got it going. SPRC is still kind of flagging up here, but I want to see the volume come in on this one and see if it gives us that flag and then rips. I guess maybe this was the flag I was looking for. Came back and touched the ADMA. Pivot, no Inox. Quick pivot, real quick. So this could be a pivot right here. Look. So pre-market high, always mark your pre-market high. Those always come important, right? So that's your pre-market high, and I'm looking for a pivot. So I'm looking for a pre-market high to hold as a pivot. That means I want this stock to, and after that, break it, and then come back and kind of use that as a pivot, a point where the stock was a resistance, now it's going to be a support. So it's just simple resistance support. So I want this thing to hold as pivot. So I'm going to wait for that stock to break out of it and then see, oh, hey, if it comes back down, that'll be a pivot, right? That'll be a pivot play because now I'm using it as support and the momentum has switched. And that's exactly what it does. It comes down right to it, bounces off of it twice, and there's your entry right there, and there's your move. And that's actually the one I took. Actually, that's exactly the same trade I took. I took my ads right there. I'm pretty sure. Yep, look at that. That's the pivot play right there. Look at that. Right? And here it goes again, back up to highs. Taking this tiny size is making me have serious FOMO. I would be killing it if I took bigger size the last 2 weeks or so. It's okay, Blair. It's okay. Take it slow. Take it slow. Hey, bro, what are you trading? I'm trading stocks. I'm trading stocks, and I am looking at SPRC right now. Thank you, Juan. No problem. GTA Trader. Awesome. Fingers crossed. I'm pretty sure that was Talang and Zach. I want another setup so bad. That BF one was it. Ape Trades, that BF one was it. We needed to smash that one. SPRC looking for that 139 again. I don't know if I trust that 139. Let's look at it. Oh, this time it just ripped through it. Wow, that moved so fast through 139. Maybe we keep continuation on this one. 139 support. 20 seconds left on this candle here. I want to see buyers really keep control of this one right here. 139 was strong, so let's see if we... I think I lagged a little bit there. Here, looking for that 139 re-entry. Looking for that 139 re-entry here. No. No pullbacks. No pullbacks. I'm still going to be looking at that 139. That's a pivot play, right? No, Inox, that's a pivot play, right? If we drop down to that 139, that could be a pivot play. Lang, are you in this one again, Lang? I missed this flag here. I even said it. I wanted this thing to curl, do a handle, and then go, and I missed that one. Is my stream live on YouTube, guys? It shows it live on everything else, but for some reason my YouTube one it says refreshing. It is. Okay, cool. So 139 here, might be trying to hold that support on SPRC. Let's see if we can catch that bounce. I don't know that this stock has a lot more to move, but we'll see. Even down to like 137, 138. Yeah, I'm wild, bro. I'm watching on YouTube. No, if for some reason it was saying refreshing and it just wouldn't go away. Be off, big old tank on be off. On SPRC, my daily next resistance is 155, so I'm looking for the break of 150 and at least 155. $127 was the ad for Lang. Oh gosh, you got it real low, Lang. Good job, man. Good job, Lang. Guys, I told you guys before September started, this month is Lang's and this month is Ape Trades. And look at both of them. They are both killing it. Ape Trades hasn't had a single rate day. You think 135 could come? 136, I could see 136. I want to see if I see like a little bit of a flush and buyer step in with me as it breaks through this level here. There's a lot of sellers. Look at them. Push it down a little bit. There's 139. No fills there. Put an order at 139. Of course, I'm not going to fill. Look how many buy orders are down there. Of course, I wasn't going to fill. There's so many orders down there. I'm still watching SPRC. 139 is holding, but it's looking heavy, and I want to see if we get like a nice spike down, and then buyers completely recover that. That happens a lot of times. I will take my ad down there now. Oh, I only jumped in 1,500 shares. I thought I had 25 selected. It's still looking heavy. I don't see any green on the tape. This one's, I had to cut that one. It's looking pretty heavy. KERN is curling back up again. KERN is curling back up. KERN, this 2274 is a good pivot that's been holding all day. Kind of here, there again. So if I start holding this 2274 on this one, I'll take a trade there. Mohammed the Bull, the 1K. Are you up 1K today? Good job. KERN, you feel like it's sending it up? Yeah. KERN is the one that had a big rejection though, so we got to be careful with this one. But that might mean we get a pretty big squeeze. I want to see it 2274 though. See, I hate these things. Big Steve, what's up, Big Steve? SPRC setting up a 5-minute flag. Big Steve, I'm in the green today. Some pretty good trades. Some of them I didn't take bigger share size. Never got to fully add again. And one of them, probably the best trade. I knew about it, called it, didn't jump on it, and let it go without me. And it went back again 80, 90 cents without me. But I'm in the green. I would say 550, 500, over $500. Does a 75-cent loss do in my losing streak? I don't know. If you put that into TraderView, does it count it as a red day and affect your average? Yes, it does. I like to do that, but make a dollar, make a dollar. You got it. Because when I do it on my TraderView, if I'm that close, I literally will trade something with 50 cents or 50 shares just to get like 50 cents or something like that. So SPRC is still flagging, I think. Oh, it looks like we tried. SPRC 136 could be that. Hopefully your money's there tomorrow, Andres. Thanks for hanging out with us, though, still. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it, Andres. Everybody give Andres a little heart emoji. He's been through a lot. Everybody give Andres a little heart emoji on Tradecaster. He is battling his stupid broker for weeks. Had some tough moments before that, but he's hanging in there. He is hanging in there. SPRC to me is still pulling back low volume. Where's that 136 at? Look how many sell orders are down here. 266 at 138. Zach says he misses you on the Discord, Andres. Big Steve, how are you doing today? I do like penny stocks, yes. And 1XZCH, what's up, man? Yeah, Andres will be back stronger than ever. Andres will be back stronger than ever. Just wait. Mike my words and count on it. Ape trades protect. I feel like I've taken a certain amount of trades in the day. It's only a matter of time before I mess up. Which stock is this? This is SPRC. You just joined? Awesome, man. Everybody welcome Ace Trader. Ace Trader, welcome to the stream. Protect the $5 or go another green or go another trade. Traded small, rated small again. Only traded Boff. Pretty tricky to scalp in my opinion. Boff was the play that I nailed. This move here, tiny size. I mean, it squeezed so hard, so fast. I jumped in it right there. And then right here, I was saying the whole time, right there, I was like, I want to start getting this dip. I want to get this dip. I never got it. 2 people on my chat did get it right there. 619 average, I think, and 620. And I mean, they got from 620 up to 680. That's 60 cents there. That was a good move. Go for the flag on SPRC. Yeah, I'm looking for SPRC flag down to 135, 136. Or I'm looking at, actually, EOS is kind of recovering too. EOS still held the lows. The Believe in Yourself is still holding SPRC on TikTok. Awesome. I am on EOS. No, what was I going to say? I'm trading on TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim as a platform. TD Ameritrade is the broker. ADMA tap on SPRC will be nice. That's more like 134, but I do see it. It's pulling back too much, don't you think? KERN also pulled. You know, that 5 candle just closed down there. Kind of creating an inverted hammer, so it looks stronger to the sell side. I was looking for a dip by here, but I didn't join it. I didn't jump in on it. There's the 134. This one just, to me, is looking heavy. Look at time and sales. Look at that. Look at that. There's only one order of 3,000 buying and everything else is selling. Some plays, I see the pivot, I see the pullback, and I like it. And some of them, like, something about it just sketches me out. And I pull away from it. And that one right there, something wasn't clicking in right. Which the 5 minute still looks perfect. Look at this pull back up and then pull back down. So, I mean, the ad is somewhere around here. But I want to see if it holds a little bit more. Even now, this is a new 5 minute candle. So maybe this thing pulls up in 1, 2, 3, 4 and then has 5 red candles down. But holding that ADMA, then I'll be in. If it holds this pivot here, 134 for another 2, 3, 4 minutes, then definitely in. Do I think BF will go back up? Probably not. I mean, maybe it can, but right now it's not looking nice. Lang took in a small ad at 134. Okay. See, even this down here, these two red candles have more volume on the 1 minute. KERN is the one that keeps coming back up. That 2274 on KERN. If you start holding that, close above it, start holding 2274. I could look for a trade from 2274 to 2381 new high on KERN. Look at this. Wow, this thing instantly stacked the 134 on the way back up. I don't know. This momentum is not. I haven't imported my trade, so I guess let's find out how much I'm up today. Let's see. Who's got the closest guess? Nobody. Oh. Bro, I was like, there's no way. It says I'm up $809. And I was like, there's no way I'm up $809. I've barely traded that much. But it was my spy put. So, no options on here. Even if they're green, no options. Only trading, which means... Hold on, it's going to do this thing. Which means I'm really up $600. Wow, that's a little bit more than I thought still. I thought I was up like barely 500. Somebody's in class on TikTok. Nice. Believe in yourself. Still holding SPRC? I did see alt, yes. Austin Lewis, 560. Pretty close. Ape Trades did get in on SPRC right there. Okay, I like it. I like it. I don't really know what I'm looking at anymore. SPRC needs to turn back around. KERN needs to hold that 2274 right here. KERN right here needs to hold. This one, I would take a breakout trade, but I am cautious because I know this happened earlier. I know there's sellers stacked up there at a high of day on KERN. You guys look away. I'm going to eat a banana. Nobody look. Hold on. Watching KERN, watching KERN, watching KERN. Watching a pullback, retest of this tiny downtrend here on KERN. Watching it, watching it. Ooh, what kind of fill was that? Oh, I'm telling you, shorts are in this stock. That was stupid. It filled me there and filled me out there, so I lost like 20 bucks there. Alt about to touch trend line again. Let's see what alt is doing. I see it, I see it. Getting a little bit stalled out. A little bit, but not much. Still looking decent. Just no volume on these things. And then somebody... Zerky. Zerk Lee? Zerkly. What's up, Zerkly? You're not calling out a stock, right? You're saying Ayo? Like, what's up? Like, Ayo? Like, what's up? Like... SPRC ape trades. Are you holding SPRC still? Ape trades. Ape trades looking like he's gonna make more than $5 today. Not a stock. Yeah. What's up, man? Circly. What's up? First time in here or not? That huge drop on alt was low volume. Yeah, you're right. Eventually it started picking up, but yeah. You are looking at that 1586 50 EMA though, so be careful on that one. That might be a place where you start stalling out. SPRC, let's go look back at SPRC. Let's see how much Ape Trades is up. KERN cannot get over that 2274. Sniper Trades picked up 133 dip on SPRC. Nice, nice, nice. That was a dip. That was a dip. I'm into Forex, but interesting perspective on stocks here. Awesome, man. Well, thank you for joining us, man. If you have any questions about stock or you want to make the switch, because I guarantee you stocks are a lot better than Forex, then you got a chat right here waiting for you. Ready to answer any questions, ready to help you out, ready to help you make some money. Oh, you made $5 on SPRC. Yeah, this stock, I thought I had a lot of shares when I jumped in 5K or 10K up down here, but yeah, 10K, but it still barely made money. It's still trying to climb back up. What's up, Believe Orilla? What's up, man? Austin Lewis in at 134 on SPRC as well. All right, all right, all right. I like it. KERN, I took another trade just now on KERN earlier. I think I was up like $18, so I gave back like 20 on this one, or I guess $30 back. I think I was up like $30 on KERN. Yeah, $18 on KERN. So I lost like $30 here, but this one, it's a lot of shorts are up here, so I want to be careful with that one. SPRC, just volume looks like it's just died. And then yesterday, I think, guys, I forgot yesterday when I told you guys my I was red when I finished yesterday the stream, and I came back and traded CMRA actually several of times. So on CMRA, actually, guys, I can show you that real quick because CMRA is in my watch list somewhere around here. So CMRA yesterday, I came back and let me see. I swear I'm not lying. Come on. Once again, doing stupid things to expose myself. Catching my own lies right here. Oh, there we go. I didn't lie. So this was a tiny scalp, and then I came back and I got myself. Where was it? Shoot, I don't remember now. 393. Okay, here. So this move here, I got myself like $200 or $300 here, and then I tried buying another one there, 393, sold 382, so lost 20 cents on that one, and almost lost like almost all of it back. And then one last trade up here through high of day, bought at 404, retest kind of a 4, breaks through 4, retest of 4, 404 was my entry, dropped to 403, so almost nailed the bottom there, and then sold 411, 418, so got over 10, almost 15 cents share on some of those cents on some of those shares. So I like got myself up to like $200-300 on this trade, gave half of it back, and then I gave some, and then I got some of that back. My hourly page is absolute garbage today. 1.5 hours for $15. That's a burger right there. Slave wages. And so that was this right here on yesterday. So got myself up to break even, all the way back down, and then kind of chipped it away, and then finally had that last trade on it. And I was like, you know what? Today I battled for a green day. I got my green day. I'm out. So I did end up green yesterday, which means now I am green right here today, yesterday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and I think Monday too. I don't know. Not big days, but my consistency is there for sure. Definitely helps. Definitely helps. Nice, my man. Nice for all of you guys. You guys are learning. You guys are picking it up. Alberto Gomez, how's your day going on? My day is going pretty good, man. Pretty good. Green, $500 so far. 550 because I think I gave some back. So 550 on the day. I mean, that's literally my normal day. So either I'm up between $700 and that's it. I said, look away. I'm eating a banana. Um, Momentum is dying. Zerky, did you just go over to YouTube, Zerky? That wait, there's no way that's you. On oh, that is you. It's spelled differently too. I was like, there's no way. Why'd you go from Tradecaster to YouTube? I know I have more viewers on YouTube, but Tradecaster chat is definitely more active. But either way, I'm gonna see your comments. Um, what capital size are you playing with? How long have you been trading, brother? I've been trading for 3 years. SPRC works for me. I'll be up 785. If it does not, it'll be down 250, 300. SPRC. Sniper trades. Why don't you just put a break-even stop on this one? Just let it not go negative. You got a 133 average. Put it under that 130 at 133, 134. I respect your what is it called? Your dedication, your not dedication, your way of staying to your rules. But some of these, I feel like you could just throw a break even there. Just let it stop you out break even, or you make your money, right? Anyways, what capital size are you playing? Lang, you're still in it. Oh wow. It depends, man. It depends. You know, I mean, this stock right here is $1.40. If I'm buying 1,000 shares, that's $1,400. I could be buying more, but then I go back over to KERN, right? KERN. Oh my gosh, SPRC just ripped. There you go. SPRC. You want to see if I can chase this move here through 145. Breakout straight through 145. Let's see. You know, I don't chase them just because I want to see the confirmation. Well, in this scenario, it is just going to go straight through, isn't it? Maybe not. Holy crap, a lot of sellers up there. Hopefully you guys took some profits there. Dang. Oh my gosh. Believe in yourself. Did you take some profit out right there? Hey, Eric. Hey, bro. Can you guide us step by step on how to make your first trade? Dude, Sniper Trade's awesome job there. False breakout. Yeah, that's why I always wait for confirmation. I might miss a few breakouts here and there, but I avoid a lot of these more often than not. Quick, let me answer your questions. It looks like I might be done for the day. SPRC was one that I was still looking at. BOF kind of gave back all of its move, and then KERN is still holding up, but KERN I'm not that interested on it. It has already had flushes kind of similar to SPRC, which kind of sucks. Even though today's over, you know, you come back tomorrow and you have that mentality. Okay, three stocks literally flushed yesterday, right? Three of them. All of the gappers that we were trading yesterday flushed. So it kind of makes you come back tomorrow and say, okay, I'm going to ease off the pedal a little bit. If I get a good fill down low, that's great. But breakouts and maybe downsize or maybe just not trade them at all. Anyways, Eric on TikTok. Man, I'm probably I don't want to brag, but I am literally like probably one of the most helpful people out there that are legit. It's impossible for me to teach you guys everything from beginning to end. you and then somebody new comes in a week later, and then I have to start fresh and teach them fresh, and then somebody 2 weeks later and says, hey, teach me from the beginning. It's impossible, right? I can't teach that many people all the time. But what I can do, and I did, is I made the course, and my course has everything from the beginning of how to set up your broker account, what to look for, what is a broker account, what are stocks, how to find them, and then strategies, basic strategies, my strategies, day trading, swing trading, scalping, all that stuff, mentality, emotions, all of that. Like literally, I have everything included on that course. That right there is your step guide of step by step how to make your first trade. I even have how to set up your platform, how to make all of that stuff on there, and anytime you have a question, you have unlimited access to me. If it's something I need to jump on a quick share screen, I'll do that. If it's something I could just answer a phone call with you, I can do that. If it's something I could just type it out and explain, I can do that, right? But that is my course. That's what I offer. I can't teach everybody all at once. That's why I don't trust breakouts on diverging stocks. Yes, Zerky, I do. So that scanner that you're looking at above my screen and to my side, I have a couple more, but those are the only ones I use when market opens. The only way to learn trading is to be freaking obsessed. That makes sense, dude. That'll get it done. Um, there's a lot. There's also a lot that can be taught in trading, stuff that just comes after taking thousands of trades. Yeah, intuition is a big thing of trading too, but that's why I tell people just the first thing is get an account, open an account, and then watch the market every day. Does the course cost money? Obviously. I can't give stuff like that away for free. It took me probably 2, 3, maybe even 4 months to make. How to make a business for it as well. How to get materials for the course as well. Camera, whiteboard, all that stuff. So I probably spent a good amount of money just to be able to make that course for you guys. So yes, I cannot give it for free. But I will say I think my course compared to a lot of people out there is a little bit cheaper. It's 450, but I do offer the 150 discount, so only $300, and you get everything about the stocks that you need to know. So if you want that code, all you have to do is 150 off at the checkout page. Hey Juan, where is your courses and how much? Okay, I just explained the price right there, and target hit on SPRC up 825 for the day. Good job, Sniper Trades. The little fire emoji for Sniper Trades. Juan, my course is, if you go to my Discord, which let me send you guys my Discord. If you're on TikTok, you obviously have my Discord in the bio, but let me send my Discord to all of you guys over here on YouTube and on Tradecaster, for those of you guys that are new. Actually, I'll send, that's the Discord link, and then I'm going to send the course link as well. And you can see the whole course curriculum before you pay for it, so you know exactly what you're getting. And there's a lot more videos than what you see. Once you open each category, there's more. So there's a course link, and here's the Discord link. And then if you want the discount, all you have to do is type this in. Alright, I notice most traders have and watch scanners on the side. Yes, you almost always have to have. Bradley Rogers, that's a good question. Guys, if you guys are still trading, I'm sorry, I'm probably done trading for the day. I really don't see anything, so I'm chatting. I just don't want you guys staying here and be like, oh, I'm waiting for another trade or something like that. I'm probably going to not take another trade unless something spikes up out of nowhere, but I'm probably done trading, so I'm going to answer a couple of questions here. Bro, do you recommend the paper trade first? Yes, I always recommend the paper trade at first, but on the course, I kind of go over it. I recommend paper trading, but I don't recommend paper trading all the way. I think you need to switch to real money at some point and take it slow. Literally make or lose $1, but you'll realize how much of a difference it makes when you're losing $1 that is real money as opposed to you losing $500 of fake money. It will definitely change the way you trade and the way you're approaching a trade. It costs $300 with the discount, so if you guys want the discount, it's $150 off, and then the link on it is in my bio. Juan, love the content, bro. Keep it up. One quick question: do you use level 2, and how often do you use it? Hold on, let me answer Zerky's question first. Yes, scanners, we do use them. A lot of people have trade ideas, which trade ideas I pay around $80 to $90 a month. It's a monthly membership. And then you get the scanners, which is this right here. This is my momentum scanner. Everything that's hitting highs with volume on the day, you have to program it yourself. That's what I have. So yeah, I do pay $80 a month for that one. ATX Mercer's here to do some business. ATXG going. Oh my gosh. ATXG perfect. 1 minute flag. Mercer, if you tell me you saw this before that 1 minute flag, I'm gonna go over to wherever you live and slap you upside the skull because you didn't call this out for us. No, sir, just found it. No place. Awesome. Go. You dodged the bullet there. You dodged the bullet there. What is this one going to? Pre-market high yesterday, I guess, is at 485. Let me see. Alright, sweet. Thanks, brother. Yep, no problem. Gotten better because I've gotten other sorts of income, much more emotionally detached. Yeah, that definitely helps. Confidence of pressing the buy button. That, I mean, honestly, it just comes with experience. Even now, I still hesitate a lot, right? SPRC, I hesitated down here. Missed that trade where I called it and I knew it looked good and hesitated on it, and B off. This one hurts right here. I hesitated, didn't called it out, didn't trade it right there. Some of you guys did, but this right here would have been another 60-cent winner there. So definitely missed 2 trades there. So it happens. It still happens to me. Nothing. I'm not a perfect trader out there, you know. There's always a room to learn, a room to improve. Do I hesitate because fear or intuition? I hesitate because of what I'm seeing. I don't see buyers step in. I feel like the stock is heavy. Just stuff like that. Dang, ATXG popping up, but this thing popped up on such large volume, such low volume. How? The Awakened One, what's up? ATXI, that's a different one. ATXI. Oh, also this one, yeah. This one looks better. Dang, nice, nice, Eric. Did I answer all questions? I feel like I'm missing one. Yeah, so the promo code is 150 off and it'll be 300 because it's usually priced 450. Yes. Philly cheese, that's yours. Okay. Sorry guys, if I ever forget a question, it's not because I'm purposely ignoring you. Like I literally offer myself all the time. So if I miss it, just ask it again. So yes, do I use level 2? I don't use level 2 as much as I should. I use time and sales a lot. Every trade that I'm taking, I'm looking at time and sales. The only time I use level 2 is when I know that a stock is getting stuck because of sellers on the ask, and I know that because I can see it on KERN, right? KERN pops up here, and I'm like, okay, this one's stuck. It's not going. It's not going. I know why, and I know why. So I look down at the level 2, and I see that the level 2 is stacked, and then that's when I look at it just to see if it's breaking down, if sellers are getting out or bought up. If not, I get out of the trade. If they are, then I stay in the trade. But not like every trade. I'm like, okay, I'm looking at the level 2, looking at the level 2. No, I don't do that. Time and sales, yes. I'll quickly glance at it and see if I see more red or green coming through. And I mean, I think a lot of people use level 2, but to me, I want to see what's actually getting filled, not what's, oh, I might buy this stock, or I might buy this, I might sell this stock. I don't want to see that. I want to see who actually bought and who actually sold. But I don't know. I mean, it just depends on what you got used to. Let me see if ATXG is flying, man. It didn't halt. It didn't halt, though. Yeah, no problem. Philly cheese. Yeah, that's exactly it, Zach. Finding walls and how strong are they. That's it. I'm not using level 2 on every trade. ATXG, what a nice move, but I don't know where we're looking for the pullback. Where the look at the 5 minutes. The ADMA is down to 445. It's like 60 cents lower. $5 is there. Could act as support. This thing is starting to go parabolic, but I don't want to chase this move right here. Noah Knox, where would you look for the pivot on this one? Shoot, this one is pretty extended. Pretty extended pivots I'm not going to trust as much. I wanted to see, like this one right here, I could have looked for the pivot back down to like this level here. Oh, that's a little too high. Like, let me see. Here. After this pop here, I would have looked for the pivot of here. Right, that resistance pops up. I would have looked for this to pull back right here. Use that 4.6 as a pivot and then aim for $5 right there. That's what I would have looked for. So I guess you are right. It is a 460, 470. Yeah. Which technically it could still pull back to a low, and if it does, I'll see how it acts. But yeah. It's still pulling back with low volume. I think sellers right now are scared to come in here. The Wolf, yes sir, yes sir. Been a while too. Been a while since I have been full time. Yes. Guys, look away. I'm eating a banana. Guys, don't look at me. I'm eating a banana. If you looked, I got some questions about you. If you look, I got some questions about you. Thanks. I learned more in here, in this room, than pretty much anywhere. Bro. This is just join. What stock is this? This is ATXG. This is the best room to be in. This is the best trading community to be in. How long have I been full time now? Shoot, it's been a while. I would say probably 4 or 5 months. Broke being patient rule and kept buying out of FOMO. Gotta have red days, I guess, part of the game. 145 on the long side and 199 on the short side. You had a great day yesterday, though, John. Right? Yesterday you had was that yesterday you were almost $500? This is the best room because the real traders with real money in this room. Yes, sir. What did you do before being a full-time trader? Yeah, yesterday was 518. That's a great day, John. What did I do before I was a full-time trader? Well, I've been trading. You know what? I got my degree in accounting when I was in school. I got a bachelor's in accounting, but I never really worked an accounting job until like the last year, and I barely worked that job. But I was also working at a vet clinic. That's what allowed me to, at the beginning, to trade 2 hours of market open and then go to the vet clinic. Um, so I was kind of doing that and then coming back. So trading an hour, 2 hours, and then going to the vet clinic. But most of my money, the way I got started, was back when I was in high school. I would go and help my dad in construction. I would go and power wash driveways. I would go and fix floors inside houses, um, stuff like that. Painted a lot of walls. Oh, and then I guess I did work at a restaurant for a while. That was my first job ever. I was a busboy for a little bit and then moved to waiter, which I thought I was going to like, and I absolutely hated it. You know, I think I'm pretty good with people and stuff, but dude, some people just are absolutely ridiculously stupid, man. Like, people will literally find the dumbest things to complain about. Like, I kid you not, there's one time I don't know if I accidentally added one or there was an extra walk side on. I don't know why this one sticks with me. There was an extra walk side charge on their bill. It was like a 25 cent, 35 cent extra charge. And these people had like a family of 8. And they just spent all this money and they threw a fit for 35 cent walk extra. Like they threw a fit. Insane. I do recommend TD Ameritrade. Yes, TD Ameritrade so far I think is the best beginner, and you could stay with TD Ameritrade up to my level now. So yes. How do I join this community? You can stay right here on TikTok, or if you really want to watch the whole deal, the whole screen, go over to tradecaster.com or YouTube, which I'm also streaming to both of those. And you can see my whole screen a lot better. If you go to tradecaster.com, just make sure you cancel the payment because it is free as well. It's going to ask you for a payment for a credit card or anything like that. Don't put any of that in at all. No credit card, no payment, and then you should be right in. ATXG, this thing keeps pulling back with low volume. Is this going to have another ATXG? Is this thing going to... Holy crap, man. Why am I getting so many questions today? At some point, at least I'm glad I'm not trading right now. There, I just wanted to take ATXG right here. But you know what? It's going to have some trouble through $5. Tradecaster, you go to tradecaster.com and it's going to ask you for a payment. All you got to do is cancel the payment and go to my free lobby and you should be in right there. That's where the majority of the people are chatting and stuff. Marcia, did you buy any dips here on ATXG? What's your username be? Wait, the TiVo. Is that you over on Tradecaster? I've seen a TiVo in Tradecaster before. How long did I trade before going full time? Like 2 years. Adding me on YouTube. Awesome, man. You guys are heading over to YouTube. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Hold on. You want 460, 470. That's what you're waiting for. Okay. I crushed the trade on alt this morning. Cost basis was 874. Finally scaled all the way out at 1490. Good job, the wolf. Sorry, it took me a while to read that one. ATXG though, still not done. But I've seen a lot of flushes today, and this thing is already up $1 a share, so I'm being cautious here. The TiVo, yeah, I think that was you, right? I've seen a TiVo over on Tradecaster. ATXG back up to highs. Look at this thing. That was the ads down there. Let's see if we can catch a quick scalp though. Dang it. I was up 50 bucks on that trade and I got distracted. Somehow it said DA up here. Very tight, small scalp there. 20 bucks of profit. $5 retest maybe. A lot of sell. Look at that volume now. Increase the volume. That's sellers coming in short. Because of the place it's at and because of the volume, that is shorts entering. That's not people selling to take profit. That's sellers coming in there. Where did I initially learn to trade stocks? YouTube. YouTube. I never paid for anybody or anything like that. I learned off of YouTube. But I will say it took me a long time to find the videos that I needed, filter what was important and what was just lies out there, who was legit and who wasn't. So it took me a long time. And then on top of that, most of the stuff that I learned was literally just watching the charts for years myself. So you can take the long route and do that, or you can get my course and get literally everything that I've known and have discovered in the last 3 years all in one place. So no, this thing, if you look at the daily, this thing used to be $656 at one point. Any recommendations of who to watch to learn? No, I really could not tell you. Like I watch so many people on YouTube that but the majority of it, you trade with real money. Yes, this is real money. Um, the majority of the stuff that I learned, I had to learn on my own and just trading every single day. So yeah, if you want my course, it's in the link in the bio. And then if you want the course, use 150 off at checkout for a discount. John, are you calling it there with your red day today then, or are you gonna keep trading a setup, John? TiVo, there you are. I knew I recognized the TiVo. Yes, I traded with the real money. Hey, do you ever have FOMO? Of course I have FOMO. Rob S. Juan gives a lot of great info for free. Give him some love. Hit the like. Appreciate it, Rob. You're like my number one fan over there on YouTube. I love it. Appreciate all the comments you make, Rob. I really do appreciate it. So thank you. ATXG kind of pulling back down to trend line here. But it's not holding $5. So I don't know that I like this one here. Next video is gonna be how YouTube made me rich. Number one fan. No, I really do appreciate Rob. He posts pretty good comments on my recaps, and I really appreciate it. Definitely feel like some people look at my recaps, see that comment, and be like, okay, maybe this guy really is legit. So I really do appreciate all that, guys. John is on ATXG right now, most likely going to stop out. Are you short or long? Looking for a reversal on Tesla to the top side. Holy crap, why is Tesla up so much today? Why is Tesla up so much today? Dude, I want to short Tesla where it's at right now. Except for yesterday when SPY completely tanked. But I had SPY chart open this whole time, and SPY is not really recovering. SPY is still holding down there, and I looked at Tesla, and Tesla's almost back, all the way back up to where it had that crash yesterday. So that really doesn't make sense. Dang, I had no idea Tesla was up that much. I had spreads on it, put spreads on it, and I never closed those. Dang it. John stopped out on that one. SPRC, somebody said back over VWAP. I don't know why, but honestly, I just do not like that Tesla move. I don't know if it's, I don't know. Yeah, Tesla had a stock split, that's why. It it cuts the price. It's not that the stock actually dumped, but more like the price was, the shares were cut. SPRC, I mean, I don't think there's anything else to trade. My sell order about to hit on SPRC from 126. Oh, you added a 126. Dang, it's Sniper Trades. Sniper Trades, you need to join the Discord. Sniper Trades, you need to join the Discord. I know you don't like Discord, or I think it's you that doesn't like Discord. It doesn't have a Discord. You need to join Discord. ATXG pivot now? Holy crap, ATXG. VWAP touch on XTXG and ADMA down here. Scaling into ATXG. Let's see if I get a little bit lower ad. I don't want this stock to flush through me. I am not seeing buyers on this one either. See this? I'm staring at time and sales here. I'm in on the trade at 470. I'm staring at time and sales, waiting to see buyers to step in. If I see it start flashing nothing but red, I will be cautious on it. Which I don't see buyers. I see a few there, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000 orders. There's a little bounce back up. But there we go. There's buyers pulling it back up. Can I get 408? Taking some off the table there. Very small scalps here, not ruining my green day. Volume is weaker here, so being careful. Lower volume on attempting this push back up, so stop at break even there, and then see if we keep getting this momentum back up with these 500 shares, or it gets flushed on through me, and that's a break even trade. So I got nothing to lose. There's a nice pop. There's a nice pop. Oh, come on. Buyers trying to step in here. That's two 5-minute candles pullback there. 10 minutes of low pullback. That looks good so far. I want to see if this thing does turn around and gets us back up to $5. So stop at break even. I can lose $28, up $70 on this one, but I'm looking for this one to curl all the way back up. MRSA, thank you, MRSA. I'm saying thank you, MRSA, and I look over and MRSA said I cut break even. What? You alerted it, MRSA. I got in and I made some money and I looked left and you said break even. Bro, you got any... Bro, you got any... Yeah, no. Lost 340 on some puts that I had. Got distracted and couldn't close them earlier. Yeah. News on test. Okay. Nothing is moving. Yeah, nothing really is moving. And this one, I don't think it's going to move. It should have moved there. Oh. See time and sales? That told me buyers are there. I mean, I don't mind an extra 80 bucks here. If it keeps moving up, that'll be a little bit more. If it pulls back down, looks like it'll be $40, $50. $50, 46. I'm stopped out. I did another 600 plus on SPRC. I'm up 1,400. All alerts were sent with profit targets and stops. I'm out for the day. See you guys. Sniper trades. Join the Discord, man. Yeah, I know what you're saying, Mersa. That really did not bounce off that level right away, but it held it a little bit. So I averaged down here, and then got that nice move. Small share size, but an extra 50 bucks. Oh well. Lang, what's calling a head and shoulders pattern on which one? John, that's a smart play. That's a smart play. I'll lose focus if I have a lot of things to check. No, the only thing that Discord is before I log in on the live or afterwards. Once I stop streaming, you can check the Discord. I don't ever look at my Discord throughout the day at all. Well, I mean sometimes yeah I do, but I'm not looking. Nobody's on the Discord while I'm streaming. It's after I'm done streaming, everybody goes to the Discord or pre-market. If you're looking at stocks pre-market, want to take some trades pre-market, you can look at it there. John, Zach, Kip, Mersa, Urban Trades were all there this morning. Alright, let me import my trades because I think I lost a little bit, but I made more back. Oh, but it's gonna re-import my freaking SPY trade. Oh, actually, it didn't. That's weird. I don't wonder why it didn't. Well, I'm right at exactly $600 with 18 cents. $600 not bad, right? $600. What is my hourly pay, Ape Trades? Is my hourly pay worth it? 8:30 to 9:30 to 10:30, 2 hours, $300 an hour. That's what my hourly pay is in the stock market, $300 an hour. Alright guys, it looks like I'm going to be done trading. $600 profit today, pretty good. Missed a couple opportunities, nailed some good opportunities. But I think I'm going to call it there. You guys, now, if you guys have any questions, how much capital do you trade with? It depends on which stock I'm buying. It can depend from a couple thousand to 20, 30,000. It just depends. Pay your mom rent $300 an hour. Uh, bro, she wants so much for rent. She charges me 1,200 for this tiny room. This is the only room in the house that I get. I'm kidding. Any questions now? Now is the time to ask your questions because otherwise I am going to head out here in about 5 minutes. If you guys are interested in the course, if you're on TikTok, the link is in the bio there. My link for the Discord is also there. If you guys have any questions before you purchase a course or about the course, just let me know as well. What do you think Bitcoin going? I don't watch crypto or Bitcoin. I mean, I know the price of Bitcoin, but I don't look at the chart of Bitcoin and try to look at the where it's going and stuff. People on YouTube, I sent my thanks for the live streaming. Awesome, no problem, man. People on YouTube, I sent my Discord and my course link up there above. Just scroll up a little bit, and same thing for Tradecaster. I sent the Discord link and the course link right above. So scroll up a little bit, and you should see it there. Like I said, it is $450, but if you use $150 off, you get that discount. So, do you think BOF will break? I don't think BOF is gonna do anything. I think BOF, if BOF gets over VWAP, then maybe that's worth keeping an eye on. But right now, I don't like BOF. I really don't like anything. That's why I'm getting off. ATXG was only playing. It's falling down. I don't like that one. Yeah, no problem, Nikki. No problem, Nikki. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and head out for the rest of the day. You guys have a good day. Appreciate you all you guys watching. Ending the day $600. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna wait to see a couple of you guys' message, goodbye message. And by the way, don't look at me, I'm eating a banana. You looked. You looked. I saw you looked. You looked at me eating a banana. You nasty cochino. Have a great day, bud. See you guys. Thanks one later, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Believe in yourself. Awesome trade on SPRC. You held for a while, man. On TikTok. Good trade on SPRC there, man. Good job. Peace one. Have a good day, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You as well. Argent Trader. See you typing. John on YouTube. Bye. See you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. See you guys tomorrow.